Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the intake air hose on this Honda Pilot. Alright guys, pop the hood, and this is the hose I'm talking about right here. I made a video showing you how to clean the entire intake system, and during that video I noticed that there was a rip on this hose. I mended it up with some silicone and some tape until the new part arrived, and I just got it in the mail. So we're going to start by removing the top of the air box. It's probably, I mean, you could probably do it without doing that. You could just undo these clamps and take it off from here, but I found it easier just to take off the top of this air box. It's pretty easy. Remove, or actually just loosen them. 8 millimeters, but there's 4 of them, okay? All right, once you loosen that, this comes loose, okay? So now we're gonna undo this clip. This is for the mass airflow sensor. Just press on this and pull it out. These kids are going crazy over here. Okay, so then 10 millimeters to loosen up the clamp, so let's do that. Okay, now unclip this from here and undo this. Press on this. This is for the throttle body. Unplug it and unclip it from here. Okay, now you're able to remove this from here. Next, separate it from the throttle body and just pull it out, okay? And then next you need to press on this clamp, and you can't take it out all the way because of the way they made this. It's a bad design right there. So what I'm gonna do is clamp this close and then just pull it out. All right guys, this is a new part. That's the part number right there, and it looks identical to the other one. It came with new clamps, even this one. And what I read is people complain about the orientation of the clamps. Okay, so this is the way the stock one is. You can kind of get to it pretty easy from the top. These kind of face more towards the back of the car, and it's a little harder to tighten up, but it doesn't seem to be a big deal. So let's put this in. All right guys, so apply a little DW40 at the end of this hose and on this side too, just so it slides onto the throttle body and to the box easier. Also, I'm gonna put a little bit on here too. All right, this thing is on. Just make sure that there's a cutout over here. Just make sure that the cutout goes aligned with the mass airflow sensor here. Also, over here, this piece of rubber that sticks out, make sure it's beyond this little notch on the throttle body. And make sure this pipe is all the way in, and then put your clamp on, okay? Let's tighten up these clamps. All right, just plug everything in. Okay, and now make sure these wires go into this little clip things. Clip them here, and then the other one over here, okay? Okay, the last step is to tighten up the 8 millimeters that hold the top of the air box, and they are notorious for breaking. They get rusty and they break. So this one just broke on me. I've been replacing it with these. They're just, you know, stainless steel from Home Depot. So if they happen to break on you, just lift the box up and unscrew them right from there, okay? All right, guys, she's all put back together. Pretty easy job. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.